The push lock is a device designed to repair cartilage tears in the shoulder. The surgeon begins by identifying the cartilage tear and inserting 2 cannulas into the shoulder. A suture-passing device is placed between the cartilage, or labrum, and the shoulder socket, or glenoid. A looped wire is passed underneath the labrum and retrieved through the anterior cannula. A suture is shuttled around the labrum using the wire. The suture is retrieved and a drill is inserted into the joint. The drill is used to create a bone socket on the glenoid. The sutures are fed through a knotless push-lock anchor, and the anchor is hammered into the socket, securing the labrum to the bone. Alternatively, the looped wire can be eliminated and the suture passed directly underneath the labrum. It is fed into the joint and the end is retrieved with a grasping instrument. Another socket is drilled and the suture is fed through the push-lock anchor and hammered into place. Typically, a surgeon will use 3 anchors for a cartilage repair.